Okay, so let's dive in. We're looking at this whole category of mobile games today.
Yeah, the ones that have really blown up lately, the puzzle games.
Exactly. Those sort of simple, maybe casual games, but they come with this big promise, actual cash.
Cold, hard cash, supposedly just for playing them.
Right. And the specific one that kept coming up in our sources is this Screwmaster out of Jam app.
Catchy name. And, well, what we found is that the game itself is pretty straightforward.
Like just a puzzle game.
Yeah, basically. You're unscrewing virtual bolts, moving metal plates around. It's fine, for a quick distraction.
Okay. But the money part, that's the hook.
That's totally the hook. The interface is constantly flashing messages like, you earned $0.02 after a level.
Ah, okay.
And then you need a hint, or you finish a section, and boom, you're watching a mandatory video ad. That's how you supposedly build up your balance. So the idea is simple. You play, you watch ads, your balance goes up, and eventually you hit some target and cash out. That's the promise. And our mission today, for you listening, is really simple. Is this actually a thing, a real way to make a few bucks? Or is that cash just, well, bait to keep your eyeballs glued to ads? Well, looking at what players are saying and some analysis of how these apps work, you kind of have to separate the two parts.
Okay.
The game part, the puzzle solving, it's functional, it works, like I said, as a basic game. But the money side, that's where it all seems to fall apart. We couldn't find any, credible reports of anyone actually hitting the cash out amount and getting paid zero.
Hold on. Zero. That seems counterintuitive. If they make money from ads, wouldn't paying out even a tiny bit, like $1, keep people playing and watching more ads?
Yeah.
Why pay nothing?
Yeah, you'd think so, wouldn't you? But that's kind of the clever part, if you can call it that, of this model. It's all about maximizing ad views before any potential payout.
So you, the player, aren't really the customer here.
Exactly. You're the product being sold to advertisers. The game isn't really designed to give you money. It's designed to get you to watch as many ads as possible. Why pay out even $1 if they can just delay it or make it impossible?
Okay, so let's get into the specifics there. The hurdles. Our sources mentioned the cash out target is, well, really high.
Yeah, extremely high. We saw reports mentioning figures like hundreds of dollars.
Hundreds. For a mobile puzzle game payout, that sounds way off.
It does. And that high target is probably the first big filter. It ensures you watch a ton of ads just trying to get close.
But what if someone actually grinds it out? What if they do get close?
That's where the next layer seems to kick in. We saw people reporting things like getting to $199.98 out of a $200 goal.
So close.
Right. And then suddenly, the amount you earn per level plummets. It drops to maybe like a tiny fraction of a cent.
Making that last 2 cents basically impossible to earn.
Pretty much. It just stalls you out indefinitely. It's not just a high bar. The system seems rigged to stop you right at the finish line.
So it stalls the earnings. Is that the only trick? What happens if you actually try clicking the withdraw button, assuming you even could?
Well, based on the user reports, it's not just stalling their earnings. The system often adds new requirements right when you think you're there.
Like what?
Like, suddenly you need to watch another 100 ads, or maybe you have to download and play 3 other games from their partners for, say, 10 minutes each.
Wow. More hoops to jump through.
Exactly. More hoops, all designed to get more ad views or installs, and according to everyone reporting back, none of these extra steps actually lead to getting any money paid out.
Okay, so let's boil this down. Based on everything we've seen about this Screwmaster app, the conclusion seems pretty clear.
Yeah. The money promise looks like bait. Pure and simple.
The app itself works as, a way to waste some time solving puzzles.
Sure, if that's all you want from it.
But as a way to earn money,
Mm-hmm.
it seems like it's just not legit, not functional for that purpose.
Precisely. The whole setup feels engineered to maximize the time you spend watching ads. The game keeps you there, the promise of cash keeps you motivated, and all these built-in roadblocks make sure the developer keeps all the ad money.
Right. Which brings us to the final thought for you, the listener. If you're playing a game like this, and the only real value you're getting is the puzzle itself,
Yeah.
what's the actual cost?
Good question.
Yeah, what are you paying? In your time, your attention, maybe even your phone's data from all those ads. All for a cash promise that, by all these accounts, just doesn't seem to ever pay off.
Something definitely worth thinking about next time you see one of those play-to-earn ads pop up.
Definitely something to mull over.